Dun, dun, dun. David, this might be the fanciest thing we ever own.
I'm pretty sure it connects to a phone.
You bought a fridge that connects to our phone.
So you can manage it.
What the, you manage it. Don't you just check if it's... Ooh! Don't you just check if it's hot, cold, or... I mean, not hot, cold. It's a fridge. It can't be hot.
So what do you think?
Oh, we have to scan it. Ooh, let's not get it too close to our bed. Over there. I think it's pretty nice. And like, I really, really want to see the inside of it. I'm so excited, David. With all, okay, we are almost complete with all the shit in our list. Where's our list? We should show them our list.
Not yet.
Not yet?